So here I am sorting the 3 things that I added to the pan, and I do that for about 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring that the onions are soft and the potato is a little brown. Next, I add my corned beef. Now this is a small tin of corned beef because I was just cooking for 2 people that day. So I add my corned beef and I let that cook. I also added the pepper, the wiri pepper, and I will also add the chicken cube. So this is the chicken cube. I add 1 of that, and I also add a tomato paste cube. I add a small tomato paste cube. Next up, I will just toss that about in the pan lightly so as to, break up the chunks of the corned beef and start the cooking process. I do this at a steady pace for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I add my cayenne pepper. I don't know, for some reason I've been loving pepper a lot, so I add the cayenne pepper and then I added a little bit of the black pepper. So I added both black and cayenne pepper and also added wiri pepper. That dish, it tasted so good. It was spicy just right. Then I had some leftover tomato paste from a dish that I would have prepared the day before. So I had it in the fridge and I decided I will put that as well in the dish. You can add this or you can just leave the tomato cube. You can also add real tomatoes. I have been adding my Baron green seasoning to everything, and as you can see, the bottle is finished. I have another one waiting to continue cooking. So I added some of the green seasoning just to give it more flavor because I love my food to be well flavored. You don't have to add the green seasoning. You could add shallots and the seasonings whole. You could add bell peppers, sweet peppers, you can add carrots, whatever it is you want, you can add it. So there I am mixing everything together. After a little while, I added some water so that my potatoes could boil, because if the potatoes are not cooked very well, your corned beef might taste well, but the potatoes might just throw everything off. Because this was a small pan, in the next clip you will see that I had to add more water because the potatoes were not cooked to my liking. It was cooked, but I like them to be kind of melting in your mouth but not soft like soup. So yeah, there it is, cooking, doing its thing, and by this time the kitchen was smelling so good. I wanted to eat it right. ready, which they were. They tasted quite yummy and to my likeness. So there I was tasting it. And this is how it turned out, guys. When I plated it, I plated it with rice and some lettuce and some cucumber and a little bit of the corned beef. Well, this is just for the aesthetics. I had more. I think I put more of the corned beef, yeah, because it tasted so good. So yeah, and later on that night I believe I had it with bread. So this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you've been enjoying my videos. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and to put on your notification bells. Until my next video, bye.